My name is Cullen Clairmont. I'm in the MD Ph.D. program at the University of Connecticut School of Medicine, but I'm doing my dissertation work at the JAX laboratories for genomic medicine, and I'm in the laboratory of Ching Lao. My love for science first came through my family. So both of my parents are scientists, and even when I was at home, them kind of fostering my interest in science. And then after that, when I went to college, I went to MIT for my undergraduate, and there is when I got my first real hands-on exposure to science, and I really fell in love with that work. A day in my life now is very unpredictable. It's very, very different. So I still do take classes. I have journal clubs. But then also, as far as kind of my research that I do, I have recently transitioned from doing only wet lab research to now doing both wet lab and computational research. So some days, I'm almost entirely focused on doing some data analysis. And then other days, I'm in the wet lab, I'm doing cell culture work, I'm sometimes working with mice. It really does change a lot day to day, which is one of the reasons that I really enjoy this a lot. Any chance that I get to communicate my research to the community and families affected is always something that I look forward to. Not only meaningful for them to hear about kind of what research is going on, but it is really also very, very meaningful to us. It kind of motivates us on the personal level to kind of continue to do what we're doing, but it can really also be very informative to our research as well. Through the questions they ask or ideas that they mention can actually be very helpful and maybe new ideas. Working with Dr. Lau is that there's a really important role for physician scientists in this space who are able to kind of answer important questions and then also bring people together, bring families together with researchers, together with clinicians, make important collaborations that will lead to the most impactful science.